Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Paper Cutter is probably one of the most underrated tools for gift wrapping enthusiasts and busy shoppers alike. This handy device not only streamlines the process of cutting wrapping paper to the perfect size, preventing frustrating tears and uneven edges, but also keeps your wrapping paper organized and readily accessible, saving you valuable time and reducing stress during the often hectic holiday season or birthday celebrations. Let's explore the best options available and find the perfect cutter to elevate your gift wrapping game. Number 5. Little ELF Cutter. Say goodbye to frustrating gift wrap cuts. This amazing tool makes wrapping presents a breeze. It's the easiest, safest way to get perfectly straight cuts every time. It's designed for simple, safe use. The durable, embedded steel blade keeps you safe, while the smooth plastic is comfortable to hold. It's made in the USA and fits most standard gift wrap rolls. No more ripped or torn wrapping paper. This cutter gives you a clean, straight cut every single time. It even works great for crosscuts, making it perfect for trimming sheets. Forget struggling with scissors. This is the fastest and most efficient way to cut gift wrap. It's affordable and makes wrapping presents quick, easy, and fun. It not only makes cutting easy, but it also keeps your gift wrap organized and prevents those annoying unraveling rolls. It's a gift wrapping essential. What we like? It's designed for ease and safety, with a smooth cutting action. If you're looking for a simple and safe way to cut wrapping paper, this is perfect for you. It's compact and easy to store, ideal for small spaces and occasional use. What people say? It's totally amazing. I was able to wrap Christmas present much quicker this year. Couldn't believe how easy this is to use. Cuts paper in a jiffy and straight. It is very easy to use, and cuts rolled wrapping paper straight and clean every time. These ELF package wrapping cutters do a much better job of cutting straight than I can do with scissors. Once I was able to get it onto the paper roll, it was such a comfortable, quick motion to cut the right size sheet. Number 4. DIY Crew Cutter. This innovative cutter makes dispensing paper effortless. Its one-handed operation and sharp blade ensure clean cuts every time. It's built to last with all steel construction. This sturdy cutter will handle even the largest rolls with ease. Cut paper quickly and efficiently with just one hand. It's perfect for busy kitchens or workshops. Get it up and running in minutes. Clear instructions and a helpful video make setup a breeze. Rubber feet and stabilizing bars prevent slipping and scratching. It stays firmly in place, whether on a table or wall. Mount it on the wall to save counter space, or use it on the tabletop. All necessary hardware is included. It accommodates large rolls up to 24 inches wide. Use it with butcher paper, craft paper, or any roll you need. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. Enjoy peace of mind with our reliable service. What we like? This cutter is built to last, with a sturdy steel construction. If you need a heavy-duty solution for frequent use, this is the one for you. Its wall-mountable design saves counter space, and the one-handed operation is perfect for busy individuals. What people say? It holds the paper, very sturdy and was very easy to assemble. The new blades are super high quality, sturdy and durable. I ended up using the flat blade as it's a better fit for my needs. The flat blade gives me crisp and clean lines. I was able to make the tear with a single hand and it came out perfectly. Excellently built product. Feels like it could take a beating. Comes with many spare screws in case you lose one. Also comes with drywall anchors and screws for mounting it to a wall, along with rubber feet should you wish to put it on a table. The blade itself isn't sharpened at all. I can run my fingers along it without any worry of getting cut. Yet it still tears the paper with ease. Very effective yet safe. It leaves a straight, slightly torn edge. Number 3. Bryco Goods Paper Cutter. It's the perfect solution for managing your paper rolls. This dispenser is designed to make your life easier, whether you're wrapping gifts or working on craft projects. It securely holds your 18-inch and smaller butcher paper rolls. Say goodbye to messy, unwieldy rolls. This makes wrapping gifts a breeze. It keeps your wrapping paper organized and readily available. It's also a fantastic tool for crafters. It provides a clean and precise cut every time. It's easy to mount on the wall or use it on your countertop. Enjoy its sleek design and convenient functionality. It's built with a heavy-duty steel frame, ensuring long-lasting durability. It's designed to withstand daily use. What we like? It's incredibly versatile, suitable for various paper types. If you need a durable and space-saving solution for both wrapping and craft projects, this is a great choice. Its heavy-duty steel frame ensures longevity. What people say? It is very sturdy and comes with a nice wooden dowel for holding the paper roll. It really is one-handed tearing. It also has nice rubber no-slip feet if you don't plan on mounting it to a wall. The dispenser once hung cuts the paper with precision. This dispenser works great for my craft paper. Number 2. Bryco Goods Paper Dispenser. This innovative dispenser is designed to make handling your paper rolls easier than ever. It's perfect for home, office, or craft projects. It easily accommodates both 24 and 18-inch butcher paper rolls. Say goodbye to messy, unwieldy rolls. This dispenser is also a great solution for storing and dispensing your gift wrap. It keeps everything neat and organized. It's a fantastic tool for cutting craft paper neatly and efficiently. It's also perfect as a gift wrap cutter. It offers the flexibility of wall mounting for space saving or using it as a non-slip tabletop dispenser. Choose the option that best suits your needs. It's built with a heavy-duty steel frame for lasting durability and reliability. It's made to withstand daily use. What we like? It's perfect for larger rolls, offering versatility for various needs. If you frequently work with larger paper rolls and need a sturdy, wall-mountable option, this is ideal. The heavy-duty steel ensures it can handle the job. What people say? This makes it easy to store and roll out large rolls of craft paper at our school. We are planning to mount it on the wall. It's very sturdy. The dispenser works great. Just make sure you purchase quality butcher paper to use it with. A lot of the paper out there that is available on Amazon is tissue paper thin and does not function well in this dispenser. I've always used an extremely large paper cutter for wrapping fresh floral arrangements. This is perfect. I can rip the sheet I need to use to wrap my wood flowers, and it's so much easier than hand cutting pieces. I love it. Number 1. Kenley Butcher Paper Dispenser. It makes wrapping a breeze. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to beautifully wrapped packages, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for so many uses. From holiday gifts to craft projects, it handles various paper types and sizes with ease. One-handed operation makes it incredibly easy to use. Simply pull and cut, changing rolls is just as quick and simple. Use it on your countertop or mount it on the wall. It's designed for stability and security in any setting. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. The strong blade ensures clean cuts every time, for years to come. What we like? It delivers clean, straight cuts every time, making wrapping a breeze. If you value precision and efficiency in your wrapping process, this is the perfect tool for you. Its versatility extends to various paper types and its ease of use is unmatched. What people say? It easily holds an 18x 100-foot roll of butcher paper. It's well made, pretty durable, and doesn't look bad. The serrated blade. It works better than some of the other types I've used in the past, and I don't have to sharpen it in order to get a clean tear. This paper holder and cutter is a lot heavier than I expected. I have used many different ones and this one is by far the strongest. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.